record. Um, hey people, welcome to this channel called YamparalaMedia, and I am your host Rahul. In this today's video, I will be presenting our recent project, which is designing of a website. So this is a concept project which we did. So this concept is related to the companies or the startups which are centric towards community building and learning. So community driven learning. So this is the tagline which we are targeting towards. And uh, the way this thing all works is they have an application, a mobile application which they want to get downloaded, and from there they used to build community driven education. So this is what the concept is. So this is the website that we did, and this is a dark theme website. So let's get started and let's see that how we did it and what is the overall concept, like the process and everything. So the main objective of here is to get downloads of application, and to explore the communities and get people to join the cohort based courses. So here in the top corner, we have header where we have mentioned about community, cohort, events, and download the app call to action button. So this particular section, which you are seeing right now, is called above the fold. Means the first glimpse that user will get when he drops onto the website. So here we have the tagline, here we have some content, and we have here second call to action as a explore communities. So these are the two call to actions that the company wanted us to implement. And here what we did, like what is the unique about this particular design is a lot of when we did our research, we found that a lot of people just put a mock-up of mobile application which used to be in animation. It will be floating. So the same thing we are doing here, but we are giving it more attention. Why like why and how is the answer. So why is the result that whenever a user comes to a website, we need to give them trust that whatever the application you will be downloading, it's a legit one. So here we'll be showing the application interface. It can be an animated one, like if we want to increase the user experience, better to put an animated one. And here we have given the stage look, like a podium look to the application, so that it feels like a premium. Overall, the thing is a premium look. And in the background, we have a light effect. You can take the inspiration as how we see God. Like in the God, we in the background they used to have a light source, which used to sparkle a lot. So something like that, the concept is used here. Next, the next hook is that we want users to go down, like we want them to scroll down. So why one will be scrolling down? So here we have put a hook of community members, like showing them like the members who are on the platform are from various genres, like various different sectors of the companies, and a lot more like popular ones. So we have here all the companies that the people are from. So this makes the user to trust the application more, like it's a trusting factor. Then we have direct, uh, every website should be having a story to tell, and they should be solving a problem. Like the purpose a user will be coming onto this platform will be through marketing or through the word of mouth. So here we have cleared that the application is legit, they can download. Second, we shown them the people are from these companies which build their trust. And the third thing is we directly shown them that how they can join the community. So here for the easiness, this particular concept is build the community over WhatsApp, because their target audience is right now is from India. So in India, people are not that much aware of Discord. Telegram is much more penetrated, but the easiest way is WhatsApp. So here we have given WhatsApp icon, which clearly defines it. and join the club as a call to action. So they can click on it and they can join. Next, we have view more. So here, the first purpose of the user is completed. So second thing is that if the user is not trusted through, like he didn't get any trust towards seeing this company titles, then we'll be showing them the persons itself. So here we have all the cards of people who are in the community. So this will be in animation. So this will be moving. More people will be coming and this way. So if a user want to click on them, they can click and they can see their profile, which will build their trust more. So they can see the experts who are present on the community. And next we have the testimonial section. So this one is a testimonial section where the content will be taken from App Store and different sources wherever we have a good impression. And this will be also in animation where it will be sliding, like it will be a in and out sliding way. Next we have in the last. So we came to the last section of the website. We don't want it to make it a longer one, because the longer the website we make on a desktop, the longer it becomes on mobile. So keeping this thing in a mind, we wanted to make the website as much as centered towards the purpose. So here the last purpose is to let people join into the cohort based courses. So here we have cards where it will show the title of it, some description, and the hook is the persons, because the people who will be guiding this cohort based will be trigger for the users to join the group. So here we have mentioned it, the company that they worked, and we have given them date and time. So they can directly join from here. And if they want to explore more, they can go from here. Yeah. So this is an overall design of this community driven edtech. You can take it as an edtech, or you can apply this thing to all the community based website designs. So yeah, so that's it. So if you like these type of videos, and if you have any service requirements related to website design, social media, or anything in between, please reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you. And if you want to learn these things, and we provide that also, like we want to grow together. So have a great day. And if you get any doubts or anything, you can connect with me on Twitter. It is YamparalaRahul1 @YamparalaRahul1. So I will be seeing you guys there. So had a great day. I had a great day, by the way. And I hope that you will also have a great day, and take care. Bye.